Welcome to Housekeeping and Household Services, where we explore the ins and outs of maintaining a clean and functional home. I'm your host, Princess S. Lemente,
And Mariana B. Mangadlaw.
and in today's episode, we'll delve into the importance of efficient housekeeping practices and how to optimize household services for a well-maintained living space. Before we dive into the specifics, let's take a moment to understand why housekeeping is crucial in household services. A clean and organized home not only promotes physical health by reducing allergens and bacteria, but also contributes to mental well-being by creating a calming environment. Now, let's talk about fundamental of effective housekeeping. It begins with establishing routines for daily, weekly, and monthly tasks. Daily tasks might include making beds, tidying up communal areas, and doing dishes. While weekly tasks could involve vacuuming, dusting, and cleaning bathrooms, monthly tasks may include deep cleaning appliances, washing windows, and decluttering storage spaces.
Yes, of course, we all know that we were going to maintain the arrangement and cleanliness. And I have a question. What are those solutions that can help to implement the neatly in housekeeping?
Um, Organization is key to efficient housekeeping. Implementing storage solutions such as bins, baskets, and shelving units can help keep items neatly arranged and easily accessible. Additionally, labeling containers and establishing design spaces for specific items are streamline of cleaning and reduce clutter.
So what are those importance in household services?
When it comes to household services, outsourcing certain tasks can be beneficial, especially for busy individuals or those with limited mobility. Hiring professional cleaners for periodic deep cleans or enlisting to help a mental delivery service and alleviate some of the burdens associated with maintaining a home. Another aspect of household services is to consider a home maintenance, regularly inspecting and addressing issues with plumbing, HVAC systems, and electrical components can prevent costly repairs down the line. Additionally, scheduling seasonal maintenance for items such as lawn or equipment and outdoor furniture can prolong their lifespan.
Um, is there communication is essential when working with household service providers?
Yes, clearly. Articulating your expectations and preferences ensure the tasks are complete to your satisfaction. Whether you're hiring a cleaning service or contracting a landscaper, open dialogue fosters a positive working relationship and ensures that your home is cared for according to your standards. A well maintained home can have a positive impact in your mental health, reducing stress, and promoting sense of calm and well being. So, next time you're tempted to procrastinate on your cleaning chores, remember the mental benefits of a tidy home. As we wrap up for today's episode, remember that effectiveness, housekeeping, and household services is about more than just cleanliness. It's about creating a space where you can thrive by implementing routines, staying organized, and utilizing outside resources when needed. You can maintain a home that promotes both physical and mental well being.
Thanks for turning into housekeeping and household services. Join us next time as we explore tips of sustainable living and eco-friendly practices. Until then, keep those homes clean and happy. See you!